Hello, class 5. Obian want to say, me gidi so obian ho ye. And they ba be to ya addition so. And that's so on energy. Then they be share how to use electricity efficiently. Kwan ya betimi afa so use electricity ye a yen say no ana yen waste no. Bra yesua na ebe hu keywords bi to say efficient. You can say efficient and just say we use ni ye and incandescent. You can incandescent ayebe ebe hwe ho asem aka and fluorescent gadget conservation. We ye keywords bi ebe hu and they adesua no. And wo sorry na wo school no. Wo fa watare na pompo no ye ne den. Utu atare na yesa eden na wo to ye wo de iron na to ye eden na eboa ma ultimate to atare no electricity so you say electricity ho hia pa nti yisu wo fie yisu wo school yisu asori kofo yisu edwumem bebia yisu electricity e wo ho no nti electricity ye for energy bia ho hia pa nti asese ye hwe so yie. So we use electricity here. Now what you see here, your friend energy conservation. Into Uber science, you say energy conservation is the wise way of using energy without wasting it. And now the efficient way of using energy without wasting it. Into we use soon here or quite passo. Say never ya. Won say no woman no any waste. And your friend say energy conservation. We mean na ye enyoma use electricity into your fan, your electric iron. So your television, TV, your blender, your fridge. Also can become one I mean share. Computers, why are there? Laptops, okay. Ceiling fan, ni na ye nyoma use electricity. Nti se electricity eni ho a, we mu hina huntimi enye ejuma. Good. Conbenso na ye waste electricity. Yenhwe how electrical energy is wasted. Maybe kind of not switching off electric bulbs when leaving the house or room. Who go school, ana who ejuma, who kwa sorry. Na we ja bulbs in me so. Obi an who use and no will say no and I will see electricity no and I'll be you see incandescent bulb make I say a behwe so bulbs we first na wo hopa your friend incandescent bulb omuntumi save electricity e waste electricity say you use sa bulb ya na e waste electricity say you ja electronic appliances esi so a yen use one to say computer, TV set, radio set, which is so use so next a waste electricity. So we home. And a second-hand electrical gadget. I don't know headed that I check will be so on pay up. Now also a big waste electricity. No. And now be a fridge doors and start to on any freezers. Who be to us and so waste electricity. In fact, idea a so and chef fridge. So if you put hot objects in fridge, I will waste electricity. No, and now clothes and so. Person would turn tire. You see, they be an iron in bulk, not in bits. Wafa tire be share Monday in kwana watu. Adichia na wafa Tuesday in kwana na watu, and no waste electricity. Nti fani na bom na iron ni na fa sign hanger so. Nti no iron for Monday to Friday. And probably the Sunday down the work sorry na eden aka ho. No eboa ma utimi save electricity. Nti yenhwe ways of conserving electricity no. Edi kan ka we dida ironing clothes in bulk for ni na boom na to ni na ba ko. And using energy saving bulbs. So unsa bulbs we eboa save electricity and energy. Nti say you use our bulbs we be. And I say you to second hand electrical appliances. I didn't any points I added than on pay beam. I didn't know they open. It's maybe sign and tone use. Then find your may so and chef fridge and I say freezer. So we use electrical appliances ni we are. Dun bibia. air conditioners nso also pɛ sɛ make sure what to door ne windows now. Wopɛ sɛ dan no mu yɛ cold na wabie door ne window no ato hɔ. Cold na ɛbɛpie nti wonya so mfaso biara wobɛwaste electricity no. So wotɔ adeɛ nso a electrical gadget a ɛyɛ hwehwɛ na yɛfrɛ ne sɛ ɛwɔ high rating. Nti the more the stars, the more efficient. Stars no dɔɔso a na kyerɛ sɛ ɛno na ɛtumi save electricity paa nti ɛno ɛbɛtumi ayɛ dɛn ɛbɛtumi aboa wo. Afei ma yɛyɛ quiz na menhwɛ sɛ wokaeka na yɛsua no a. State whether these statements are true or false. Number 1. The electricity we use in Ghana is not from a hydro source. Electricity I use in Ghana no yenya mfi hydro mu ana nsuo. False. Number 2. The best way to save electrical energy is to leave all your gadgets on and plugged in when going to bed. Kwan pa ebetimi afa so save electrical energy ni say ebegyan yen appliances ana gadgets esi so bra ye kwa akoda no. False. Number 3. Old electrical gadgets consume less energy than the new ones. Electrical gadgets are higher than etwe energy kitwe bi ɛsen na ɛyɛ afoforo no. False. Number 4. The higher the energy you consume, the lower the cost you pay. So we use electricity bebree a wotia sika kitwe bi. False. Number 5. Putting cold food in a fridge can consume more energy. What the aduane ayewe no ɛhyɛ fridge ma ɛtwe electricity bebree. False. Mbo, why are there pa? So we dey here didn't ultimate training na mami 5 boza. Into my application question back on. Eya tobo na ye. We are fat to comment section no mami. Application question. Your family has received a high electricity bill for the month. Explain 4 ways you would help your family use electricity efficiently to reduce the cost. Webusua enya electricity bill a akosoro ewo bosumi mu. Kyerɛ kwan a obetimi abo ebusua no ma use electricity. Se ne be ya eka anasa bill no eso beti. Eden na yesua ende. Yesua say electricity ho hia pa. Intense say ye waste electricity. Say ye use no kwan pa so. Na ye friend say energy conservation. Ye be use no kwan pa so. Ehu akwan ahodo a yefa so waste electricity. Na ye hu akwan ahodo a betimi afa so use electricity ye na yan den yan waste no. Nti de adesua ne besi ha cost stretch na bra na ye nto ya adesua no so why. Kai se be kai mama so on download Kokromoti app no ento wankasa wo tablet no so ma. Why? Non talk Kokromoti science textbook. Class 5 science textbook we be. Kache so on talk pet baby. And Kokromoti onto no ma. Non talk Kokromoti 3 textbook nso ema na sua. Ye be share na ato aso. Bye bye.
Great job completing this lesson. Now, take the next step in your learning journey by practicing what you've learned. Continue learning on the Kokoromoti app where you can complete assignments, watch more lesson videos, and take quizzes to test your knowledge. Download the app today from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Get your copy of the Kokoromoti interactive book today and enjoy a smarter, more engaging way to learn. For more information or further inquiries, please call 02-423-86554. Kokoromoti, making learning easy.